Good morning. I hope everyone is doing well. Today is Wednesday, April the 15th, which we normally do Wellness Wednesday. And there's no better way to talk about Wellness Wednesday to just give a little, brief like I do every day. Please stay safe. Do your social distancing. Make sure that you're washing your hands for 20 seconds. And if you have any signs or symptoms, you can always go to the cdc.gov website. They have a self-checker there. Please just stay safe and look forward to each and every one of you coming back as soon as we are allowed to go back to Job Corps. Miss each and every one of you. Today we're going to talk about Strategy 8. We are going to round some decimals. So to round a decimal to a specific place, we're going to look at the digit to the right of the rounding place. If the digit to the right is 5 or greater, we're going to add 1 to the rounding place. If the digit to the right is less than 5, do not change the digit in the rounding place. In both places, replace the digit of the place value to the right of the rounding place with 0, or just eliminate them. So here in example 1, it says to round $46.3928 to the nearest thousandth, hundredth, and to the 10th place. So let's start off. We're going to round to the nearest thousandth, and we're going to look at the digit in the 10,000th place. So if we're looking here, there's our 10th, there's our 100th, there's our 1,000th, and there's our 10,000. And so it says because the 8 is greater than 5, we're going to round to 46.393. You notice the 2 changed to a 3, and they just dropped it off. Now you could add 000, but we're just going to eliminate it. Nothing past it. So it says here to round to the nearest 100. It says look at the digit to the 1,000th place. And so here's our 1,000th place. It is a 2, and the 2 is less than 5, and so this rounds to 46.39. It's just going to stay the same. So we're going to round to the nearest 10th. We're going to look at the digit in the 100th place. And in our 100th place is a 9. And that 9 is greater than 5. So this is going to round to 46.4. We're just going to eliminate the rest of the numbers. So let's go and look at our guided practice. Okay, on our guided practice, it reads, Tim calculated his batting average as 0.28125. What is Tim's batting average rounded to the nearest 1,000? So here it's going to tell us to think. It says, I need to look at the digit to the right of the 1,000th place. So it says, look at the digit to the 1,000th place is a 2. Because the 2 is less than 5, it is going to round to 0.281. So Tim's batting average to the nearest 1,000 is 0.281. We do not need the numbers. So let's look at number 2. In the state where Brian lives, he pays 0.075 of his earned income in state income tax. What is 0.0715 rounded to the nearest 100? So then we're going to look. I need to look at the digit to the right of the 100th. So we're going to look at the digit to the 100 place, and that is a 1. Because 1 is less than 5, 0.0715 is going to round to 0.07. So our answer is going to be A. Okay, so in our independent practice, I don't believe there's any of these that you will have any trouble answering. I want to point out a few things though. Let's look right here at the real world connection. So it says calculations involving dollar amounts may result in values with many decimal places, but dollar amounts are usually rounded to the nearest 100th or cents. So I wanted to point that out to you. And then I also wanted to point out number 7. Number 7 says which decimal rounds to 0.83 to the nearest 100, and it says select the 3 that apply. So make sure we are selecting the 3 that apply. Okay? But I really do not think you'll have any trouble doing 3 through 12 on your own. You know, of course, if you do, you can always email me, send me a message on Facebook Messenger. So, of course, now is going to be the time that I want you to go to Google Classroom, put in the code 2MK74E3, and that will get you in. You can look for Strategy 8, Rounding Decimals. There will be a worksheet for you to go in and fill in the blanks. And of course, at any time, please feel free to email me, math1jgcc@gmail.com. Also, in TABE Academy, I will be assigning rounding decimal segments, so that way you can go in and it'll give you more resources and more practice to rounding decimals if you need any help with anything. And of course, your username is your first name 1, and your password is going to be happy1. Same thing in iExcel. There will be assignments assigned to you, and then anytime you can always press the help, and it will always show you how to work out the problem step by step by step by step. Username is your first name 1 at Job Corps, and the password is joyful1. I hope you all are enjoying this beautiful, beautiful day we're having here on this Wednesday. A little cold out this morning, but hopefully this afternoon it'll get a lot nicer. Really do miss each and every one of you, and looking forward to seeing y'all's lovely faces. Hope y'all have a great, great day. See y'all next time.